Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. Today what I'm going to do some pepper steak carving style. Here I have some beef here. I just put a bit of dry thyme, onion, and in here I'm going to add a bit of coriander. That's all purpose, which is my own brand. Bit of black pepper. Some of my jerk seasoning rub, which is my own brand. I'm going to add a bit of olive oil. And a bit of gravy browning. And here I have some peppers. When the meat is nearly to finish, I'll add these. I have here some julienne onion, fresh thyme, and different color peppers. Here I'm going to add some olive oil. Turn the gas up a bit. This is my way. I'm going to put some thyme in the hot oil just to infuse the oil. You don't have to do this, but this is my way of doing it. Do you hear that? Then I'm going to put the beef in. What I'm doing is I'm just searing the meat off to help lock the flavor in. This is what it looked like. Gonna tip a bit of water in it. I'm gonna cover it a bit and let it sweat off a bit. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to do, I'm going to check on the pepper steak now. See how tender it is. Now that it is cooked, I'm gonna add these to it. The reason why I don't put everything as once, but these are like vegetables, they cook easily. So by the time you put them in, all the heat in, maybe a minute and they're good to go. You don't need to put them in all at once, otherwise they're gonna get soft and mushy. Let's come a bit closer, show you what it looked like. This is what it looked like here. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave positive comment. Peace be.